Hi, it's Rhonda. How's everybody doing today? Just checking to make sure that I am live here in our group. So it looks like I am right now. So today I thought I would do something different and come live because I haven't come live here in a long time, right? Just going to adjust my camera a little bit here. So I hope you guys can see me okay. Happy Tuesday. How's everybody doing today? So something new and different, right? Anyways, so I just learned something new. And as part of this group, one of my goals and one of Monica's goals is that we want to bring you guys practical things, right? When I first started online, it was the little practical things like that you didn't know how to do that would just make things so much easier, right? And you couldn't find anybody to teach you how to do them, right? So I would be on Google all the time, trying to figure things out on YouTube, all that stuff, right? It wastes a lot of time. So anyways, so today, whoever's watching, hi, thanks for joining. So today I learned something, actually yesterday, and I decided I wanted to come in here live and share this with you guys because this is something really practical that can definitely help. I am a firm believer in keeping things simple and also reusing your content, right? So doing your content once and being able to use it in multiple places on multiple different platforms, with maybe a couple tweaks here and there. So how do you add a link to a Facebook story? I've tried and it never worked before, right? And it would be so much easier, right? If you had a YouTube video and you could share it into your Facebook story and people wouldn't have to worry about copying and pasting it or writing it down because we all know nobody is going to do that. They just aren't going to do that. It's not going to happen. But if they could click on your link right in your Facebook story and to be taken right to your YouTube video, they just might do that, right? You have to make things simple for them. So as long as things being simple for us, right, which I'm all about keeping things simple and not getting complicated, but keeping it simple, for your target market, for your potential clients, right? That's the goal. So what I'm going to do is I am going to change this screen up a little bit here, and I'm going to make myself smaller. Oops, wrong way. There we go. And I'm going to show you how to do this. Let me just make sure I don't have a question here. Hey, Killian, good to see you. Thanks for joining. So if you guys have any questions while I'm doing it, feel free to ask, and I will try to check on my phone because I don't see the questions here on my computer. So how do you do this? So I am going to show you. So let me see, I'm going to go to YouTube here. Okay, and if I go to my videos, this is my YouTube channel, right? So I'm going to go to my videos. I am going to click on a video that I just did. Pause it. Okay, so this is a video now that I want to share into my story, say. I already did this, but I'm just going to do it again so that you guys can see exactly how I'm going to do it. So when you get to the video that you want to share, you're going to actually go down and you're going to click on the share button right here. Click on the share button. And now you're going to get these different places that you can share your video, right? So if you click on Facebook, I'm going to click on Facebook because that's going to be where you want to share it. Okay, I'm going to change the view so you guys see the correct tab now here. Give me 1 second. I have to take you to a different screen. So I'm going to take you to this screen. Okay, now you should be able to see it. Give me a second. I'm just making sure that you guys can see what I want you to see, right? There's a little bit of a delay here as it goes onto Facebook. So I want to make sure that you guys are getting the information that you're going to need to be able to do this. Okay. So when you get here now, this is what you're going to see. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. And as you can see right up here, if you want to say something, this is where you're going to write that. But I'm going to, if you see at the bottom of the screen here, it automatically checks. There's a blue check here that says newsfeed. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this at the bottom where it says your story. I don't know if you guys can see this screen. Hold on one second. Let me just make sure you guys are seeing the right screen. I don't think you are. Okay. So now you should be seeing the right screen. I'm trying to look at my phone and make sure you guys are seeing what I want you to see. Okay, perfect. So I'll go through that again. So once you click that share button right to Facebook, this is the screen that you're going to see. So if you go to the bottom here, you can see what happens is share to your newsfeed is automatically checked. So just uncheck that and then check this other one here and put a blue check into your story. Okay. And if you want to write something where it says say something about this, you can even write something here and it'll add some words into your story. So I'm going to just say, watch this quick video. And then you just hit post to Facebook. And when you hit post to Facebook, it's going to go into your story and it's going to be actually a clickable link. So okay, so that is how you get to have a clickable link into your Facebook story. So I hope this helped you guys. I know it's just a short video. I just wanted to come live because it is very simple to do, but you have to know how to do it, right? No matter how simple something is, if you don't know how to do it, it's not simple, and you're going to spend a lot of time trying to figure out how to do it. So anytime you have a video that you want to share to your Facebook story and make it clickable, that is the easy way to do it. So I hope you guys find this useful. Like I said, we do want to try to bring you useful information that you can use for your businesses. So please let me know in the comments if you found this useful. If you guys have any other things that you'd like to learn about, let us know. Reach out to Monica or I. We're happy to, help in any way that we can. And hope you guys all have a great day. And thanks for watching.